Okay, I'm going to look at 2017, and this is question 1b. So it's 3 linear simultaneous equations. So I have to start it here. You can make the x's the same by making them all 12, make the y's the same by making them all 4, make the z's the same by making them all 6. It makes sense to make the y's the same because that's the smallest number there, so making them all 4. This one didn't have to change. This one you had to double everything, so make sure you double all the numbers. And this one had to times everything by 4, so times all the numbers by 4. Then you choose any two pairs. So I chose 4 and 5, and then 6 and 5. Writing 4 out and 5 out, you can see that the y's have got different signs, so you add them, add the x's, add the y's, add the z's, add the numbers. I can divide all by 5 at the end, so I'll do this to make it nice and neat. 6 and 5, write them out. The y's have got different signs, so you add them. So you get 18x minus 2z equals 68. Divide all by 2, tidy it up at the end and call this equation 8. So I'm now going to work with equation 7, x plus z equals 6, and equation 8, 9x minus z equals 34. My z's are already the same, so I don't have to do any more multiplication, so just add them. So signs are different, so you add 10x equals 40, so x equals 4. Put that into one of these two variable equations, so I'll put it into equation 7. So x, 4 plus z equals 6, so z equals 2. And now what you're going to do is put them into one of the initial equations. So I'll put them back into equation 1. So I've got 3 times x, 3 times 4, add 4y minus z, so from up here, is 2. So tidying that up, 4y, that's 10, bring it over and take it away. So 6 take away 10 is minus 4, so you've got y equals minus 1. Now also from that paper we have question it's 3b, so we'll just scroll down and see if I can find this one. It's an inequality one. Oh, there's there. So it was question 5b. So solve. So I'll just write that out. So question 5b. And I've got 3, 2x add 1, minus x add 3, x minus 1 less than 0. So first of all, multiplying out these brackets. I'm going to put brackets in because this is a negative over here, and I want to take my time with this. X squared minus 1x add 3x is 2x minus 3. Tidying this up. Minus x squared. 6x minus 2x is 4x. 3 plus 3 is 6. I'm going to change all my signs here, because I've got a negative x squared, and just make sure you change the inequality as well. Now, I need to find the critical values. So this doesn't factorize, so use the formula. A is in front of the x squared, b is in front of the x, and c is on its own. So x equals minus b, plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So x is minus 4 is an ordinary 4. B squared is 16 minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. Now, working this out, so 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 plus 24 over 2. So 4 plus or minus, that's going to be 40 over 2. That breaks down into the square root of 4, square root of 10 over 2. The square root of 4 is 2 root 10 over 2. Now you would be expected to cancel that down to 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is just 1. Now drawing out your wee graph. 2 plus root 10. 2 minus root 10. And just look back and you'll see it's a positive x squared graph. Take it from the last line here before it enters the critical values. It's going to be that shape. I want above the graph, so I want everything to the right or everything to the left. So x is greater than 2 plus root 10, x is less than 2 minus root 10.